There's, there's a new update on Binance right away. I've already shared some video on how to make the money on the Binance Launchpad. So let me open my Binance account. You can use this to actually make some new money. And then if you check here on the new list, once you open your Binance account, you scroll down to where you have new listing. This point, scroll down to this point where we have the new listing, and then the next thing that you see here is that we have a new listing called OMNI. That is our new listed coin on the launch pool. So what is there is that before this coin will be listed on Binance, guys, you need to take a very good advantage of this. And then what is there is that in every 1 hour you are going to be accumulating OMNI coin, and when it is being listed, if this coin actually skyrockets to a particular value, the same way that the money that you have already accumulated on this coin will also skyrocket. So I've been doing this for so many times, and then I've been making cool money from this. Sometimes you can make up to $5, $10, $15, $20 from this. So all what you have to do here is that you move down to your wallet, where you have your wallet here, and then you click on it, and you move down to spot. And then you click on spot. Now once you click on spot, the next thing that you have to do here is that you have to convert your money into BNB. It's either you convert your money from whatever asset that you have into BNB, or you convert it into FDUSD. Are you getting it? There are two things that you have to do. So for you to do that, I've already done that. For those of you, you can watch my previous video, and then you will be able to get on how to convert your money into your BNB. So once you are done with that, the next thing that you have to do is for you to click on home, and then you move down to this point where we have this Binance symbol. Okay, and then you click on it, and then the next thing is at this point you click on more service, and then you locate the point where we actually have Launchpad. Look at it here. This is our Launchpad here. Okay, so you click on it, but remember, for you to do this, you should be able to convert your money into BNB. Now look at this point here. It's either you convert your money into this FDUSD, or you convert your money into this BNB. Now for those of you that actually converted your money into BNB, the next thing that you have to do here is that you click on what? Stake. Are you getting it? You click on what? Stake. That is what you have to do here. Now once you click on stake, now remember, I myself have already staked. For those of you doing it for the first time, once you click on that stake, that will ask you the amount of BNB that you are to invest in. And for those of you, I will advise you at least minimum of $100, or if you have $50, you can actually start with it. But if you have like $100, you stand a very good position for you to make a better money on it. But you can still invest in your $10, your $20, your $30. Are you getting it? So the next thing that you have to do here is that you click on stake. I've already done my own stake. That is why at this point here, you are saying that even while you have done the staking, you can still redeem it back to your BNB, and then they will give you something. So all what you have to do is just for you to relax until this OMNI coin that is coming up will be listed. Okay, then another thing that you have to do here is that you can actually come to this point where we have the project information. Are you getting it? You click on it, you click on the project information, and then on this point, you see some of the information that you have to know. Either this coin is going to be doing better, and then you have to take position on it. You can see the total staking here. You can see the value is very high, and then you can also see the maximum hour reward. In every 1 hour, this is the reward that they are going to be distributing, and then you are going to be seeing the total BNB pool reward. This is the total reward. So guys, with the value of this BNB reward and then the maximum hour reward, now this coin will actually do more better. And then mind you, also take note of the number of participants. I think with this it will keep on increasing. And then remember that this farming period of this your staking investment in the launch pool is going to take 4 days. Okay guys, it's going to take 4 days before this coin will be listed. So what is there is that is for you to take position now, and then at the end of the day, I bet you make cool money from this. The same information here, and it's very, very simple. Okay guys, thank you so much, and then do well to give me a likes, and then drop your comments, and then believe that you get a good money from this. You can also go back and then get some more information for those of you that understand crypto, for you to get better information, to know their white paper, to know their detailed rules and their launch pool tutorial. You can go in that and then get the information. Okay guys, thanks so much.